Kurumirira miario irario ni mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini Francis Nyenze ya kunyita mbaru tafaria cia Jubilee na utongoria wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta riu kiama kia Wiper nikiyumiritie gutetera Nyenze makiuga ati ni aranyitirwo uria gutari.
The political party's act is very clear. You cannot support a political party other than your own. So you cannot support Jubilee and vie under a Wiper ticket. So I think that is very clear. So I don't think he would have any authority to support Jubilee and remain a candidate for Wiper.
Atongoria ya Wiper no mameneire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ndu wa kuga ati Kalonzo ni yandikithite ta muhorani wa giturwa kia usenita ni riria maugite ithanganitio ni Jubilee guthukiria Kalonzo ritwa.
We want to say that those are outright lies that are fabricated by the Jubilee whatever party that is trying to discredit our party leader.
Kugina kuo kiama kia ANC ni kirugorie kioneki kia muthenya wa mothe ikaro-ini kia Amani guku Nairobi. Akirugoria kioneki gia kiama giki Musalia Mudavadi ni augite ati itacokia ria uria kwira Kenya kiria mamahaririirie ritiragarara mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni ngwatanio ya NASA amu ANC ni kiama kiri na mitaratara yakio kiene.
ANC, which had been working on its manifesto over a long period of time, has to also communicate its policies and what is dear to it to the Kenyan people, and that does not in any way negate its role in the NASA coalition.
Hideni ori Mudavadi no ugite ati ANC rungu rwa NASA nimegutigira urimi wa kiriu ithomo kuri ciana ciothe cia Kenya ni cia kinyanirio wona maiyukia thirikari. Riu kiria gitigaire no githikia mweri wa kanana kuona no matuko 54 kugayukania ngano na thawani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.